Hello everyone. Start off by taking two threads, fold one of them, put it on top of the other one, and then knot it up at the bottom and then pull it through. Now make one knot using one out of the two threads as such. Make another one in a different color right underneath the first piece and then continue to do this. Now we have chosen red and yellow in order to do so. Continue to make more knots as you progress with it. Make two at a time and then tighten it. This will be the design. We are alternating between red and yellow accordingly. Now once you are done with this, continue to do it. Finally, after you are done, this is what it should begin to look like. Next, take some white beads as such. Then pull it through a thread and then take another thread and using both the sections, make a knot out of it, one below the other as such. Continue to do so as you progress with this. Now, once you progress along it, keep aside one little bead and then make a knot underneath it as such. Take more and more of these pieces and then tie a knot underneath it as such. Bring up more beads as you progress with it and then make the knot so that it divides the beads and the knots from each other. Next, take two different threads of different colors, fold them slightly towards the end as such, pull one through the other and then pull the other through the first piece. Tighten it as such. Then underneath it, take two more threads. Take the white thread and then make a wrap around one of the threads. Now take a blue thread and then make a wrap around the other side now. Do the same however with blue and yellow on either side. After you pull it through, set it aside. Continue to do so alternatively and then once you reach saturation point, do not let it become looser. Continue to do the same with both the sides, yellow and blue. Next, we will start off by taking two threads and then putting them together. Wrap one around the same side once as such and then lift it up. On the same side, on the other side, wrap it around the green portion of it and then tighten it as such. Now, once you are done with this, pull aside the bottom portions of it accordingly. This is what it should begin to look like. Now, continue on and then take the yellow pieces, pull it through the green pieces as such. Continue to do so as you progress on either of the sides. It should line it correctly. Now, pull together the green thread and then let the yellow as well. Next, take multiple hair swines as such. Wrap it around pink hair swines. Next, take some pink thread as well as some purple thread. Make a knot around it and then continue to do so to make this particular design out of it. As you progress more and more with it, you can become faster and faster. However, it would not be recommended to do this in the initial stages as it is hard to remember. Now, continue to do so using pink and blue as such. Wrap one end of it around the other side and then pull it through and then make it tight. Once again, wrap it through, pull it through and make it tight and make it go up as such. Now do the same for the other side. However, this time do it with the pink. Next, after you have continued to do this, there should be more and more structure forming. After you have done this, do the same in pink. Once you are, however, done with the pink and the purple, you may make different things out of this or use this in different ways. Now continue to do this until you reach the bottom. Now for our next design, start off by taking two threads. We have taken one blue and one white. Now make a knot with the two of them at the top so that they connect the two of them. Now begin to interchange them as such in the middle. Twist the white one and cross the other and make them cross at the top. Do this all while the blue are kept aside. Now alternate with the blue and white accordingly. Next, we'll be taking these more multiple colored cloths or threads and then afterwards put them one into the other as such. In order to do this, start off by tying up a knot in the front with the four of them. Now, in one of the sides, make a puff, especially using the pink. On the other side, using the green, make a puff and then pull it through. Use the red as the central thread. Once you proceed, this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.